Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Manipur Chief Minister Biren on yesterday, marking their first direct meeting since the outbreak of ethnic tension in Manipur 14 months ago. The meeting occurred on the sidelines of special conclave of chief ministers from BJP-ruled states, which was held at the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP headquarters in central Delhi. The meeting reportedly took place at around 11:10 p.m. last night and lasted for around 25 minutes. Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh were also present in the meeting. The meeting also comes on a day that Manipur Governor Anushya Uke was removed and new Assam Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya was given additional charge of Manipur. This encounter is seen as a significant step in addressing the ongoing issues in Manipur and reaffirming the central government's engagement with the state's leadership amid continued unrest.